The new Audi A1 is redefining the compact car segment with a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and driving dynamics. Under the hood, expect a range of turbocharged TFSI engines, starting with a 1.0-liter three-cylinder, producing 110 horsepower, and a more potent 1.5-liter four-cylinder, generating 150 horsepower. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed S-tronic automatic transmission, the new A1 delivers an engaging and fuel-efficient ride. Thanks to Audi's refined chassis tuning and improved aerodynamics, the A1 offers impressive handling, making it perfect for both city streets and long highway journeys. Plus, a rumored mild hybrid system could enhance fuel efficiency while adding an extra boost to performance. Step inside the new Audi A1 and you'll immediately notice Audi's premium touch. The fully digital 10.25-inch virtual cockpit keeps vital driving data at your fingertips, while the 8.8-inch MMI touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is packed with high-quality materials, sporty accents, and ambient LED lighting, creating a sophisticated yet youthful feel. The spacious seating and smart storage solutions ensure comfort and practicality, making it an ideal urban companion. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, make every drive safer and more enjoyable. The new Audi A1 is set to make its grand debut in late 2025, with European and global markets following shortly after. Pricing is expected to start at around $25,000, positioning it as a premium yet accessible option in the compact segment. For those looking for a stylish, tech-packed, and dynamic small car, the Audi A1 is a game changer. Would you choose the new Audi A1 over its rivals? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting car content. Car Exhaust.